Timetable, a schedule showing the times at which events will take place. 時刻表.
Punctual, happening or doing something at the agreed or proper time, 准时的.
Transfer, to change from one vehicle to another during a journey. 转车.
Direct, without changing from one vehicle to another, 直达的.
Tempting, attractive and makes you want to do something. 诱人的.
Purchase, to buy something, 购买.
Accept, to receive or agree to something. 接受.
Prefer, to like one thing more than another, 较喜欢.
Penalty, a punishment for breaking a rule. 处罚. 罚款.
Fee, a payment made for a particular service, 费用.
Platform, the area where you wait for a train. 月台.
Snack shop, a small store selling food for a quick meal, 零食店.
Staff, the people who work at a particular place. 工作人员.
Shortcut, a quicker way to get somewhere, 捷径.